Hi there, welcome to DrZ Academy. If you are new here, my name is Dr. Z. Today I will teach you how to invest in stock market for complete beginners. If you have ever wondered what stocks are, how the stock market works, or how to get started with investing, you're in the right place. Whether you are a total beginner or just looking to brush up your knowledge, these videos are for you. Here is what we are going to cover in this series. Introduction to stock market. What it is and how it works. Basic terms and concepts. Understanding shares, stocks, dividends, and market indices. Types of investment strategies. Exploring the long-term versus the short-term investing. How to analyze stocks. Learning basic financial metrics such as P/E ratio and EPS. Risk management. We will learn the importance of diversification and how to set up stop-loss orders. Common mistakes beginners make. Tips to avoid common pitfalls. Setting up your first investment account. A step-by-step guide. Making your first trade. And how to buy and sell stocks confidently. Monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Keeping your investment on track. Each episode is packed with practical examples, helpful visuals, and actionable tips to make your learning fun and effective. If you're ready to take the first step towards growing your wealth and understanding the stock market, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Turn on those notifications so that you won't miss a single episode.